Alright, quick unboxing. So I just got these smart scales because I want to track my body weight and body fat properly. I don't want to keep guessing, and also I want to like keep records of every weight I weigh every other day. So that's why I got this device. If you're trying to stay consistent with fitness, having a scale that saves data and syncs to your phone will surely make it easier for you. So let's open it up and see what's inside. So here we have the installation guides, and you can see a QR code. It's saying we can download the VeSync app. Oh, this is a very good design. So inside we've got the scale and the manual. First impression, this look clean. The glass top, nice finish, and I like how it's minimal. This one is a smart scale, so it connects with Bluetooth to the app and tracks stuff like weight, BMI, and other body metrics. So I'm going to search for the app, which is the VeSync. You click the get. So one important thing is make sure your phone has your Bluetooth on. Click open. Now it's going to ask you if you want to allow notification. For now, I'm going to click the allow and click get started. You can connect with your Google. Accept, continue, allow. Now it's showing me the interface now, and it's asking if I want to add the device. So if I click add device, it's going to keep scanning, but first I'm going to make sure I remove these tags here. So when you open the back cover, it comes with 3 AAAs. Since we have a battery inside already, I'm just going to take this off, and now this should start working. Also, you can take this off, you can click it. So it says added successful and device is connected. Click finish. And I'm going to click mail, and it's asking for my birthday, height, weight. Done. So that's my current weight. So one beautiful thing about these scales is once you step on it, it shows on your phone immediately. It's mainly because it has a Bluetooth function. And also another thing about this is you can set up multiple users. So you can set up as much as possible user. So once you step on it, you can like select the name of the person, and it's going to keep the history. Also, you can set a goal. So that's it. Make sure you click the like button and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.